matra words. I think everybody studied. Okay. John, can you unmute? John, unmute. Okay. Did you study?
Okay, ma'am.
Studied?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you say crow Hindi word क्या है? Crow. Was they told the study? Kawa. Okay. Parrot. Say louder. It's not clear. Tota. Say tota.
Yes.
Tota. Tota. Okay, very good. Monkey.
Bandar.
Bandar. Okay, Advaita. Okay, those who are showing, okay, very good. I know that you completed, right, and studied, okay. So again, we are doing revision, okay. Today it's revision for O, Au, Matra, and after I will take a small test, okay. That is in your rough book itself. The next class I will take a revision test that I will send the link next class, okay. So now let me ask some children some questions. Let me know you studied or not. Joachim, unmute. Joachim, unmute. Joachim.
Yes, ma'am.
Kite हिंदी word क्या है? Kite. क्या है kite का हिंदी में?
Patang.
पतंग. पतंग. Okay. Plant हिंदी word क्या है? Plant. Plant.
Plant.
You have to study like that. If I ask any Hindi word, you should be ready with the answer. That's why after all we can start MCQ 3 exam. You know that our MCQ exam is there. 16th onwards it will start. 19th onwards for you. Okay. Then what is plant Hindi word? Darshit बताओ plant Hindi word क्या है? Plant. Darshit. Plant Hindi word क्या है? पौधा. Okay. Joachim बताओ. Wait. I will ask. Only that one can give the answer. Okay. Peacock Hindi word क्या है? Joachim.
Peacock. More.
More. Okay. Fan Hindi word. Fan. Fan का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? लास्ट क्लास में हमने अंक की मात्रा से फैन का हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ा. क्या है?
Patang.
पतंग is fan. पतंग का है ऋषिकेश. पतंग क्या है? पतंग मीन्स क्या है?
Kite.
राइट. तो फैन बताओ. फैन. हेवन रोज बताओ.
Panga.
Okay. Panga.
Panga.
Now also you have doubt it is patang or panka. Patang means क्या है? Kite. Panka means क्या है? Fan. Okay. Heaven rose. What is the Hindi word of towel? Towel.
Taulia.
Taulia. Okay. Comb Hindi word क्या है? Comb.
Kanga.
Panka. Okay. आराध्या दिलेश. ऑरेंज हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? ऑरेंज. ऑरेंज. संतरा. Okay. Then what is the Hindi word of season? Aradhya. Season. मौसम. Okay. Crow हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? Crow.
Kawa.
Okay. Now Aditya बताओ. What is the Hindi word of boat? Aditya के भी boat हिंदी word. Boat. Where is Aditya? Madhav, unmute. Aditya, boat हिंदी word क्या है?
Yes, ma'am. Kaili.
माधव बताओ बोट हिंदी वर्ड. माधव सब भूल गया. क्या है बोट का हिंदी वर्ड?
नौका.
किसने कहा नौका?
बोट.
नौका. Or what is the Hindi word of basket? Madhav.
टोकरी टोकरी
क्या है?
टोकरी
टोकरी. टोकरी. Hand. Okay. Some words I think you forget. Okay. We can do one thing. I will write and show you. You can write 3 times and read it. Okay. We can do revision. Once again, 3 times only you can write. After I will small test. Okay.
Right test finish that means
क्या है? Ask.
ma'am only 5 questions sir
5 questions. That I will give it. Okay. So all should take your rough book. Don't use chat box. Okay. You should take your rough book.
ma'am not on mute 5 questions
Okay. Now some
12
you should
20
your rough book. Okay.
ma'am small
Okay. Take. First we can study Okhi Matra. Okhi Matra. Write this word which I am writing here. Tota. Meaning you know Tota means क्या है? Who is Tota? Parrot. Write the Hindi word Tota 3 times and read the meaning also. Tota, parrot, 3 times. Okay, jaldi likho. Tota, parrot. Copy it. Start now. Tota, parrot. Parrot.
Tota ma'am right 3 times
Do you know the meaning? Parrot Hindi word hai Tota. Okay, if I am asking, you will think. Okay, you have to say fast. Parrot ka Hindi word hai Tota. The next one is
Tota
more, peacock. Write more, peacock, more, peacock. Write more and read the meaning also. More, peacock, more, peacock. Read and read.
more
ये सब ओकी मात्रा word है. That also you have to listen. More, peacock.
ma'am finish
Those who finish, please read. Okay. No need to say finish.
more peacock 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 and third one
Koyal. Koyal. Listen the spelling. Okay. Koyal. Koyal. Cuckoo.
Koyal cuckoo koyal
Koyal. Cuckoo.
koyal
Tokri. Basket.
fourth one tokeri
Basket. Tokri.
Tokeri basket
Tota.
tokeri
Koyal. Tokri. Basket. Tokri.
basket tokeri basket
टोपी हैट. क्या है टोपी का मतलब? हैट. टोपी हैट.
टोपी hat टोपी hat ma'am finish
एक और वर्ड हमने
टोपी
anybody know which is the last word? घोड़ा.
घोड़ा
कौन है घोड़ा? horse. घोड़ा. घोड़ा horse.
घोड़ा
Now you listen matra. Which word we learn? This is Okhi matra word. Please identify the matra. Okay. O.
घोड़ा
घोड़ा, मोर, कोयल, ठोकरी,
Tota, parrot, tota, parrot, tota, parrot. More peacock, more peacock, more peacock, more peacock. Koyal cuckoo, koyal cuckoo, koyal cuckoo. Tokeri basket, tokeri basket, tokeri basket, tokeri basket, tokeri basket.
Now Auki Matra. I think completed everyone. Auki Matra. Read and write. Okay. Thokri,
No.
Tota, More, Koyal, Thokri, Thopi, Goda. Okay.
I'm finished.
Rest all should study. Okay. Auki Matra. The next one is Au. Au से हम पहला पौधा. पौधा. पहला word है पौधा means क्या है? Plant.
Plant.
हाँ. औकी मात्रा में
Pau.
पौधा. पौधा. पौधा means plant. पौधा.
Pauda. Plant.
Read and write. पौधा, plant. William, are you writing? William, Charles. पौधा, plant. पौधा.
Pauda. Plant.
Au. We have to add this matra. Au की मात्रा. पौ. पौधा.
Pauda. Plant. Pauda. Plant. Pauda. Plant.
नौका. नौका boat.
Nauka.
नौका boat.
Nauka.
Nauka
Boat.
नौका boat. Read.
Nauka. Nauka. Boat.
Boat.
Nauka. Nauka. Boat. Nauka boat. Nauka boat. Nauka boat. Nauka boat. चौकी.
क्या है चौकी का मतलब स्टूल. चौकी. स्टूल. Aldrin, are you writing? चौकी, stool. चौकी, stool.
चौकी. चौकी. Stool. चौकी. Stool. चौकी. Stool.
चौकी.
Finish.
3 times right. चौकी, stool. Helen Maria, unmute and read. तौलिया. तौलिया क्या है? तौलिया means towel. लिया. towel. लिया. तौलिया. towel.
तौलिया.
तौलिया. तौलिया. Joachim, read and write. Okay, Joachim, read and write. तौलिया. Which one you writing, Joachim?
टोपी. तौलिया.
3 times is enough. Durga, sit straight and write. Topi, Goda.
टोपी.
Yeah, तौलिया.
तौलिया. Ma'am, finish.
Which word you writing? You should read. If you don't know, you can ask. Okay.
Goda. Goda. Ma'am, word.
Mosam. 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 Mosam means season. Mosam.
Mausam.
Mosam, season.
Season.
Sam.
Mausam. Season. Mausam. Season. Ma'am, finish.
I told those who finished, don't say. Let others to complete. Someone slow.
Sixth word.
Kawa. Take your time. Write it slow. Write it and study.
Crow.
Crow.
Pauda. Pauda. Kawa. Crow.
Here औ की मात्रा,
पौधा
listen, okay? कौन सी मात्रा है इसमें? औ की मात्रा है
पौधा
Unstable.
पौधा
करो
औ का
पौधा प्लांट P
मात्रा
चौकी
प्लांट
तौलिया मौसम
प्लांट पौधा
है
प्लांट
Listen,
पौधा
spelling. Okay.
प्लांट मैम 3 टाइम
3 time is enough. 3 time.
मैम
माउ
है दो मैम
पौधा, नौका, चौकी, तौलिया, मौसम, कौवा. ओके. तो नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? अद्वैत अंक की मात्रा में कौन सा वर्ड पढ़ा हमने? तो क्या है ये?
मैम योर साउंड पंगा
पंखा. पंखा.
पंगा
पंखा मीन्स क्या है? फैन.
फैन
पंखा
अंकी मात्रा
अंक की मात्रा
पंगा
पंखा.
मैम योर साउंड इज
My sound is not hearing. Am I audible?
क्लियर नो यस
Say पंखा. पंखा.
टीचर मते तुझ मन के
पंखा.
पंखा पंखा पंगा पंग
पंखा मीन्स क्या है? झंडा. झंडा.
पंगा पंगा पंखा फैन
झंडा. It is पंखा fan. Okay. झंडा flag. झंडा. झंडा.
झंडा
Flag.
झंडा झंडा झंडा
Bandar. Bandar means who? Who is bandar? Monkey. Bandar. Monkey.
बंदर
Bandar. Monkey.
बंदर बंदर
संतरा. क्या है संतरा? संतर.
मंगी आड़ा संतरा
संतरा. ऑरेंज. संतरा.
संतरा ऑरेंज दारा बंदर बंदर मंगी
संतरा.
संतरा
पतंग.
fourth word is पतंग
संतरा.
sun
संतरा. ऑरेंज.
संतरा ऑरेंज पतंग
काइट.
ऑरेंज संतरा ऑरेंज means kite
पतंग. काइट.
one पतंग पतंग kite पतंग means comb कंगा means comb कंगा means
पतंग. Children, when you are writing, you should listen the spelling. कहाँ हमने अंक की मात्रा जोड़ा है? पा के साथ. पा पे अंक.
कंगा
कंगा मतलब कॉम, कंका कॉम. Aditi, Aditi, Arun, unmute. Aditi, please read. O की मात्रा word पढ़ो. Aditi, O की मात्रा word. Other all mute. Aditi, please read O की मात्रा word. Ah.
टोकरी बास्केट टोपी hat दोड़ा.
Okay. Mute your audio. Okay. Rayan, unmute. Read Anki Matra. Anki Matra. Listen the question. Okay. Anki Matra word पढ़ो. Anki Matra. Read. Rayan. Unmute. Rayan. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Anki Matra word.
Anki Matra.
Which is Anki Matra?
Panga. Panga. Ganga.
Janda.
Bandar. Janda. Bentar. Santra. Padang. Kanga.
Okay.
Man Joachim will read.
Wait. Muhammad Wazim, unmute. I will call Joachim. Wait. Muhammad Wazim, read Auki Matra word. Auki Matra. Au. Unmute Muhammad Wazim.
Yes, ma'am.
Read Auki Matra word पढ़ो.
Ma'am.
क्या है? Read.
Tota.
Wazim, listen the question. Which matra I told? Auki Matra. Which is Auki Matra word? Au.
Second one. Second one.
Then read that word. You have to listen the question and you have to read. Okay, read.
Patang.
Second word is patang. Auki Matra word. Au. I told Auki Matra word. Which is Auki Matra word? Azim?
Yes.
Listen, Dev will read. Okay, listen. Dev, read Auki Matra word. Which is Auki Matra word from this? Dev, unmute. Read. Dev is there? Dev all read.
Powder plant. Nauka board. Chowki stool. Tauliya towel. Mausa. Kawa crow.
Okay, very good. You should identify that matra, which matra I am asking. Okay, Durga Praveen, unmute. Read Anki Matra. Anki Matra. Which is Anki Matra word? Padho.
Panga. Zenda.
Ma'am,
Triangle. Patang. Sangha.
Okay, Wazim, unmute.
क्या चैटनो से लिखना
क्या है?
Ma'am, triangle.
Ma'am, Helen will tell.
Muhammad Wazim, unmute. Muhammad Wazim, last time I told you did not read. Which is Oki Matra word, Muhammad Wazim? Oki Matra. Read, identify the word. Oh, I told Oki Matra. Can you identify?
Second one.
Oki Matra, how it will be second one? Oh, not ow.
First one.
Then read.
Tota.
Ah.
More.
Next. Ko.
Koel.
Next.
Tokeri.
Tokiri. Next one.
Topi.
Last one. कौन सा जानवर है वो तेज दौड़ने वाला? घो. Read Wazim. Ghoda. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Okay. Did all completed children this 3 times?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Mute. I'm going to give some questions. This is only for matching. You should listen and do. Okay. Because some children cannot identify it is which matra. You have to identify that. So I am going to give the question. Sahi milan karo. Sahi milan karo. Question is match it. Okay. Sahi milan karo. I will give some words. Please take a fresh page. Sahi milan karo. No need to write this. The question is that match the following. You have to match it. Okay. Question number 1. You can copy this. First I write here one word. You have to copy. All should copy this. जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. Sixth question is, who is that? Please mute. The opposite side. Here it is given this 3 swarakshar. First one is ang. Here it is au. Here it is o. Okay. You have to identify the matra words. Oki, amki matra. आपको पता है ना ang. It sound it is anki matra. Its name auki matra or o. Okay. You have to match it. Okay, children. Here it is given some word. You should read and match the same. Okay. Opposite side. You have to do like this. Match it with the.
Ma'am, please wait.
All should copy it and do. Start. Don't say the answer. I will call any name. They can give the answer. Okay. After all, should do this. Okay. Find the first word is in which matra. Here an or au, o. You know that. This is anki matra. This is auki matra that we learn. This is oki matra. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This one, number 3. You have to match it with this word. Completed? Did all match? Read one word and match it. Only 6 questions. Match it. You have to match the word with its matra. Find which matra is used there. Okay. Why this all? Video should be on. Those who don't have any connection problem, please turn on your camera. Video should be on. Vaiga. Aditya completed. Okay, time over. Advait Arun, unmute. Advait Arun. The first word, can you read and say which matra word? Advait. Read the first word.
Now, nauka.
कौन सी मात्रा?
Auki matra.
Very good. Auki matra. You can match it. Auki matra. Others, please check your answer. Is it correct or not? Okay. Auki matra. Now, ga is auki matra word. Okay. Very good. Now you can mute. Okay. Diya jibu. Can you read the next one? Second word and find the matra. Which matra word that?
Tota.
Diya.
Tota.
Tota. Which matra word?
Yes.
Say the matra.
Auki matra.
Oki matra. Tota. Oki matra. Mute, mute. After giving the answer, please mute. Mute. Aldrin Babu. Unmute. Read third word. Third word. Which matra word? Read the word and say the matra. Aldrin, unmute. Aldrin, unmute. Aldrin is there. Can you hear me? Ayush, unmute. Ayush, unmute and say. Third question. Read the question and say the answer. कौन सा word है third word? पढ़ो. Ayush, read the third word.
Kauda.
Third word. This word. क्या है? Vaigara Jivan. Can you read third word? Ayush cannot read. Ayush, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaiga read.
Kamda.
Kanga. Kanga.
Kamda.
Kanga. Kanga. Okay. Which matching with which matra? किससे मिलाएंगे हम? कौन सी मात्रा added? Ang matra. Very good. Anki matra. Anga. Okay, okay. Okay. Now, Ilham. Muhammad Ilham. Ilham बताओ. Fourth word. Read the fourth word.
Yes, ma'am. More.
Huh?
More.
More. Which matra? उसमें more में कौन सा मात्रा है?
Auki matra.
ओकी मात्रा. ओकी मात्रा. Okay, very good. Darshit बताओ. The next word.
Yes, ma'am.
After giving the answer, you can mute. Okay. Fifth question.
Janda.
Matra.
Amki matra.
Very good. Anki matra. Janda. Okay. Juneta, unmute and say Juneta. Unmute and say the last question. Sixth one.
Kauda.
Which matra?
Auki matra.
Matra. Okay, very good. Did all corrected? Check your answer.
Yes.
How many?
Yes.
6 question. Check your answer. 6 out of 6. Those who get 6 out of 6, please put a star. I will ask after. Don't say now, mark. Okay. Okay. Completed this? Everybody, check count and check your answer. Now you understand now? Auki matra. A hai auki matra. Auki matra. You have to listen this. Then only you will get the mark in the exam. Okay. You should listen the spelling and find the matra words. Which matra is added. Okay.
Okay.
Matra. Okay. Then you can study that word. Okay, children. Okay. Now, those who get 6 out of 6, wait. The next one more question is there. That only 2 questions. You have to find the correct word from that. Okay. You have to find the correct word. Okay. I will write here first question. Write this. The word question is First question is this. 3 options are given here. Find the correct one. Circle the correct one. Okay. Yeah, copy it correct answer only. Okay.
Delete the whole thing.
Don't. Circle the correct one. Yeah. Pick and write the correct answer. Okay. 2 question is there. One is horse. Find the correct word. Second one, kite. Write the correct answer. 3 options are there. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 options are given. Aditya completed? After completing, keep your pencil down. Adidev. Everybody completed? Yes. Then listen here, only 2 questions. Say Adidev. The first one, horse, which is the correct word. First, second, third. Which answer is correct for horse? In the word क्या है Adidev? क्या है? पढ़ो. Which is the word? Read. Horse Hindi word. Read the Hindi word. Which is the correct word? Dev. Horse Hindi word क्या है? No answer. Ashwell बताओ. Ashwell बताओ. Read the Hindi word correct word. He told third word, but he is not reading. What is the third word? Goda. Is it correct, children? Goda.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then correct answer they can pick. Okay. Goda, the third one. Okay. Goda.
Ma'am, second one kite patang.
I will ask. Wait. Don't give the answer. Without asking, you cannot say any answer. Okay. Dev, I give one chance. You did not.
This is item.
Inakti, बताओ. Kite Hindi word. Which word is correct?
Patang, ma'am.
First, second, third. Which is correct? Second. Okay, very good. Pa, ta, ang. Ta ke upar am. Okay, patang. Okay. If you are not studying well, sometimes you will tick this. Pangpak. That is another word, wrong word. Or this is patang. That also wrong. You have to find the correct spelling. Patang. This is the correct word. Okay. Now those who get 6 mark. Now we conducted 2 more mark is here. You can add with that. 8 out of 8 plus 2. Okay, those who get 8 out of 8. Did anybody get full mark?
Yes.
6 plus 2, full mark. Okay, 8 mark. Advait.
And does it got 8 after 8?
Diyal. Okay, very good. Nia, Rishikesh. Okay.
Mandarship.
Okay, Mohammad Wazim Baiga. Okay, our time up. Children, okay, very good. Okay, the next class I will take a revision test. Okay, all should be ready for that. You should study and copy sort spelling. You have to listen the spelling. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.